Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr Bizzat Hussain, and today we're going to look at how to make online lectures. What we're going to discuss is we're going to discuss about the basics of the online lecture, and these are the three topics that we intend to cover in this topic. First, we will learn how to make a video file using PowerPoint. So most of the teachers, we have our lectures on PowerPoint and slides. So how can we make a video file using PowerPoint, nothing else, just using PowerPoint? And the second thing is how can we upload those videos to YouTube, and what is the process of making thumbnails and tagging so that your video appear more on the search engine. So we're going to start this topic with how to make a simple PowerPoint video. So for example, we have this file and we need to convert it into a video. This is our entire lecture and we need to convert it in a video. What we'll do is you can see there are a lot of things on the top. So what we do is we go to the slideshow area and then we select record slideshow, and then we say start recording from the beginning. So I go, it'll ask me something that you need slide and animation timings, I need that thing, and narration and the laser pointers. I say I also want these kind of things. So this is how we're going to start. We start it on, we say something, whatever we want to say. You can see at the top we will have if we can see, we can just select from right click, we can select different type of pointers, pen, and every kind of thing. For example, I selected a laser, so we can see we have a laser pen out here. On top you can see there is a bar that is showing the recording for you, that how much time the overall recording has taken and how much time you have spent on this slide. So in this way you can calculate the overall time of your slides, the overall time of your presentation, and everything. Then let's move forward. Move over to the second slide. You can see the overall time, it is continuing, but the time for the slide, it has just refreshed. So you can talk about it, and you can see there is a bar coming with a new tab coming with your mic, with the speakers on. So this shows that you are recording at this very moment. So what you're going to do next is you need to see if, for example, if you want to write something on these videos, how you're going to do it. We can just right click out here, and we can see we have screens out here. So we can choose two different type of screens. Either we can go black screen or white screen. So I select a black screen. I prefer a black screen more than a white screen. Then I go on, I say I need a pen. I take out a pen. If I need to draw something, for example, I need to draw a graph out here, I'll just go on, make a graph, and I can explain things to my students in whatever I want. This thing works better if you have a touchpad. If you have a touch screen laptop, or you're using a tablet or something, and you can use a stylus to make these kind of video, we make this kind of annotation on your slide. So then what we're gonna do, once we are done with it, we can unblock the screen, go back, and then we can eventually end the slideshow whenever we are ready for it. Okay, so once we end the slideshow, now what we have these video graphs in the start, and you can just play these videos and you can see that we have something out here. Thus we play, and then you can see we have some video, whatever you say out here, we have it out here as well. So once we have made the video, what we need to do is then we need to go out here, file, and we can do it export. We can do export, we can go on create the video, then we can select, we have these kind of things. We need the computer and the HD display, obviously we need the recording timings and the narration that we have done, we need those things. So these are two things that we need, and then we need to create the video. It'll ask us where to save. I'll just go on, I have my own lecture area that I want to save it in, and then we go on, and then it will ask you which kind of format you want. So on YouTube, most of the videos we upload are in MP4. So let's go with the MP4 format, and then we'll continue. Then you can see on the bar below here, on the bar below, you can see that it is creating the video and it's trying to finish it up. So let's see, let's take it. It'll take a little time to finish it up, and once it's done, we can go on YouTube and just simply upload it. So it all depends upon the number of slides you have. If there are more slides, it will take more time to upload. If the slides are not that much and you haven't talked a lot on each slide, then it won't take a lot of time. So this is, it's done here. We can just go out here on the slide out here and we can see that there it is, our video, how to make an online lecture. And we can just see the video out here. It is converted with a video. It is about 30 seconds. So this is the video that we have made. Now we need the next step. What we need to do is we need to upload this video on YouTube. So you can go on YouTube, a simple YouTube page, and then for example I go to YouTube, my YouTube page. Okay, so this is my YouTube page. I come out on my YouTube page and I go on and I say I want to upload the video. So I'll just go on wherever I've logged in. I'll just click here on my photo and then I can go on to the YouTube studio. Once I am on my YouTube studio, you can see we have two buttons here. We have create and we have an arrow which is an upload arrow. So we'll go out here on an upload video because we already created the video. We just need to upload it. So we'll just go on the upload video. We'll just select the file. We have this thing, how to make an online lecture. We open the file. We have already selected the file. We have already opened the file. Then we go on. It asks how to make an online lecture, whatever title you want to make it. Okay, I'll just go with this lecture. Then it is going to ask us about the description of the video. In this, so I'm going to write about what the video is about. So the video is about how basics of making a video using PowerPoint. So this is what I've done. You have 5,000 words for it. Just make it, go on and make those words. Then it asks for a thumbnail. So a thumbnail is basically something that will appear when you search your video. So you want the picture to be attractive, so it's gone on with the first slide. Then it asks you to make a playlist and upload the video on the playlist. So it's good if you have a playlist. Uploading videos in playlist helps because all of the videos will be there. If somebody's playing one video, all the other videos will come in suggestion, or they'll say him let's play the entire playlist. So we have a playlist out here. You can select any playlist you want. I'm not going to put it any playlist out here. Then it asks you the questions. Is the video for the kids or is the video not for kids? If you select it for the kids, it's okay. If you select it not for kids, then it will go on and it will tell you about the age restrictions. So I select the video is not for kids, but no, I do not want to restrict my video to the viewers over 18 only. So it's a good thing. So we just made it not for kids. Then we have another option, another thumbnail out here that says tag out here that says more options. When I click on it, it'll ask paid promotion. So you can say it's a paid promotion and you are going to put ads on it or something like that. Or if you want to select, you can select it out there. The other thing comes out here is tagging. Tagging is a really important part of making a video. What makes tagging important is because these videos search on the these videos appear on the search. When somebody searches the videos, these videos appear on the basis of tags. So you can tag the videos very responsibly, you can say, or with a lot of you can say importance. You need to tag these videos. For example, if I tag a video like online like PowerPoint video, so it makes a tag and just write it and produce a tab or a comma, so whatever you want. And then we can go on and it will ask us whether the what is the language of the video. We can tell it about. If you want some subtitles to come on it, it's okay. If you want it, if you don't want it, it's all okay. Then recording date, recording time, whatever you want to tell it. If you want to tell it, it's okay. If you don't want to tell it, it's another option. Then allow embedding, publish the video to subscriber, category, all those kind of things are different. Then in the next step, it comes to next, and then it'll ask you to save the video or not. You can save the video as a draft as well. Then it'll ask you to go next, and finally There are some more schedules things out here, that for example you want to make a video public after a certain time. You can select the schedule and you can tell